Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix choppy YouTube videos on Firefox. So guys, I will show you multiple solutions, so follow along. First one is select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and then now over here you just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now over here on the settings, guys, you would just simply utilize the search bar at the top, and then you would just simply search for performance. So guys, from here, make sure to select this one. So make sure to uncheck this and make sure to uncheck use hardware acceleration when available. Sometimes guys, these are the reason why you are having a choppy video. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is you could just simply install this extension H264IFOY. So basically, it will make the YouTube video less powerful into your PC or computer, and it will have a smoother playback. So pretty much utilizing this extension will help you fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't, you could also go for the YouTube over here, and you could just simply try to clear the data of the YouTube, because sometimes too much data on the YouTube can cause this issue. So you could do that by selecting the shield icon over here, and then go ahead and go for the clear cookies and site data, and you could just have an option over here, clear. So guys, as you can see, removing cookies and site data might log you out of websites and clear shopping carts. So clear it out, and mostly that can fix your issue. If you have any questions, guys, comment down below. Thanks for watching.